you got the new DVD coming out, Disaster Piece with Slipknot. Um, Sean the Clown claims that this DVD marks the end of the era of Slipknot of the past. Is this accurate to you?
Yeah, probably. I mean, there's a lot of things that have to change in the bands, you know.
All
I
right.
mean, we did what we've done. Now it's time to concentrate on a new direction. You know, it's time to go. It's time to move away from where everybody expects us to go.
Right, right,
Time for us to start making people second guess again. You know,
right, right.
because I mean, it's just time. You know,
Will you guys?
it's really time to get back there.
Right. Will you guys continue with the masks and everything with Slipknot? Or now that
Yeah.
you know,
Oh yeah, we'll still be doing that.
yeah, because that's like the whole
But
symbol.
musically and live, there's a whole other world that we're going to be working to get out there. So
Cool,
it's going to be cool.
cool, man. And